Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are diving into the word via. You'll learn how to use this versatile word in 50 different sentences across all tenses. Let's get started. Meaning of via. The word via is a preposition that means through, by way of, or by means of. It is used to describe the route, method, or medium used to achieve something or travel somewhere. How and where to use via. 1. To indicate a route or pathway. Use via to describe the route you take when traveling from one place to another. 2. To specify a method or means. Use via to explain the tool, platform, or process used to achieve something, such as communication, transportation, or sending information. 3. To denote intermediary steps. Via can also indicate that something happens through an intermediate location, process, or person before reaching the final destination or result. Example sentences. Traveling via air is often faster, but more expensive. I commute to work via the metro every morning. He traveled to Paris via London last summer. I will book my train tickets via the official website tomorrow. He is sending the report via email right now. I was watching the live event via streaming when the power went out. She will be sending the invitation via email this evening. I have shared the presentation via Google Drive. By the time we arrived, they had already left via the back door. By next week, I will have completed the registration via the website. Messages sent via encrypted platforms are usually more secure. She learns new recipes via cooking videos online. They sent their documents via courier 2 days ago. She will attend the meeting via video conference. They are traveling to New York via a direct flight. They were discussing the project via a group call. They will be traveling via train when we reach. She has communicated her concerns via email already. She had sent her feedback via text before the meeting started. She will have delivered the package via express courier by tomorrow. If you apply via the official portal, your application will be prioritized. He communicates with his friends via text messages. She contacted the customer service team via a phone call yesterday. They will explore the island via a guided tour. I'm learning Spanish via an online course. She was receiving real-time updates via social media. I'll be accessing the data via the server during the meeting. They have sent the documents via registered mail. He had confirmed his attendance via email earlier that week. They will have finalized the deal via a virtual meeting. Had he known the route, he wouldn't have traveled via the old highway. We receive updates via email every hour. The team accessed the files via a shared drive. You'll receive the confirmation via text message shortly. She is sharing her location via a tracking app. We were navigating the route via GPS when we got lost. He will be connecting with us via video link tomorrow. He has transferred the money via an online portal. We had shared the details via WhatsApp before the deadline. He will have transferred the amount via an online bank transaction by the evening. I prefer sending invitations via email rather than printing them. Many people prefer shopping via mobile apps these days. The package was delivered via express shipping. The payment will be processed via the new banking app. We are communicating via a secure channel. He was making the payment via his credit card at that time. We will be discussing the plan via a conference call. We have connected with them via LinkedIn. They had communicated their decision via a formal letter. We will have informed everyone via an official memo. Thanks for watching. I hope these sentences gave you a clear understanding of how to use the word via. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more fun and helpful English lessons. See you in the next video.